Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to record a screencast on Flipgrid. Let me start out by saying that if you'll be doing this on a Mac, then you need to download the Microsoft Edge browser. If you use Safari, you will not be able to see the option to record a screencast on Flipgrid. I'm not sure why. But you have to use Microsoft Edge browser. You can download it. It's free. It's super easy and fast to install. And it's the browser that I'm using today that you can see on my screen. If you're using a Windows computer, that won't be an issue. On my work computer, I record screencasts on Flipgrid often, and I use the Google Chrome browser without any issues. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to show you in this video two ways to do this. The first way is if you're a teacher and you have grids. I'll show you how to record a screencast to teach a lesson or explain a document. The second thing I'm going to show you is if you have students or children of your own that are being asked to respond to an assignment for their teacher, then they can respond with a screencast as well, which ultimately allows them to record their voice over a PowerPoint or a document or a drawing for which you took a picture and you uploaded, and that way they can show and tell at the same time. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is select the correct grid for which you want to record the screencast for. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to select my teacher PD grid. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a new topic, and then you add your title. I recommend selecting the recording time to be the maximum of 10 minutes. You don't have to record for the entire 10 minutes. But the problem is that if you select 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 2 minutes, what have you, and you might take a little longer than expected to explain the document, it will cut you off and you have to start all over again. So for screencast, I usually don't like to feel rushed when I'm explaining a document, so I'll go ahead and select 10 minutes. You can put a description here of what the screencast is about and what students will learn. And then here's where you will see the option. So you will select record a video, and then you're not going to see the option anywhere on the screen until you click on the little three dots down here. And then you select screen recording, and you're going to start screen recording, and then you're going to select entire screen. There's other two options. I have not played around with those, honestly. I just go ahead and select the whole screen, but you can play around with it and use whatever you prefer, and then you'll get started that way. Now for the students, I will show you how it looks for them. So let's say that you are an educator that wants students to work on a science or engineering or whatever kind of project at home. And then in class, it would be something that you have them present. For example, science fair projects, right? Usually we have our students create a board or a PowerPoint explaining the different parts of the scientific method and showing us the results of their experiment, correct? So in this case, we could do this through screencasting, through the students creating a screencast of their PowerPoint. So this would be the student view. Once you share your link to the students and then they log into Flipgrid to that topic that you've shared with them, this is what they see. So they would go here to respond to your assignment, and they can also screencast. So it's the same steps. They would go down here to the little three dots and then select screen recording, and then start screen recording. Just make sure that they know that they need to have their document available in the tab over. So for example, if I wanted to share a PowerPoint, I would have it in this tab over here, or whatever document I was sharing. because one tab will be the Flipgrid where you get your screencast started, and then the next tab should have the document that you're trying to share. And again, they can select entire screen. And then just click share and it'll start recording. It'll give them a 3, 2, 1 countdown. So I hope that this video has helped you. Feel free to share this with anyone that you think might find it useful, as well as any parents. If you assign any screencast to be done at home, this would be a useful video for parents to see as well. Thank you. Bye-bye.